Hello everyone, so today I will be showing you how we prepare the best ceremonial cacao at home. This is the Keith cacao, and I just show you how to prepare it in a very simple and easy way at your home. So I have here a spring water, it's just 2 milliliters, and I will be showing you how to make it quickly and in a good taste. So I put the 200 milliliters in the pot. And I do it slowly, so not in too much heating, because we don't want to burn the cacao. Even the water which I'm putting the cacao after it shouldn't be not burnt or not boiled. We just do it very gently. Then in 200 milliliters I already know, and I'm putting about like 2 of these spoons, which Keith recommends 28 grams. For my daily use, I used to use like about 20 grams. So it's by my eye around those 2 spoons. So I'm putting them into the water. And then I'm just slowly letting the cacao melt with the water. So I'm not really cooking it. I'm letting it more like slowly warming the cacao and waiting that the water and cacao melt together. And once they are melted, then I'm just mixing it with the mixer to make it more creamy. You can definitely add, if you like to, cinnamon, cardamom, or anything would you like to taste it. Even the natural sweetener if you like it, but I'm really making it just water and cacao. This is the best way how I feel my body likes that. But there is any option, or it's open for whatever you want to add. So once we have it melted, which can take a little bit of time, but we are really not boiling the cacao, we are making the cacao warm. And once cacao and water really melt together, and it's more like one liquid, that means it's not water and pieces of cacao, it's really together, the dark liquid, then we know that they are ready to be mixed. So when you are doing it and you're really, preparing the cacao for you, even just for yourself or for your friends or as a ceremony, it's really nice to be present with that process. The smell is just taking you somewhere else. Also to be really grounded and feel how body responds to that action, because it's very beautiful, very relaxing. So I'm doing it a little bit more, and then I'll just mix it. You can use the hand mixer, you can use a blender, whatever you have at your kitchen, it works. And I recommend to do it this way, not just boil the water and then do it with cacao. Like for example, you will make a tea or any type of coffee, because it's really about the process. The process, when you know that the cacao is melting, you smell it, you're really present with that action, it brings extra layer to your practice of drinking a cacao. It's always good to have intention. So intention, if you're serving just for yourself, what would you like to experience with that mug? Or if you make it for your friends or for the ceremonial flow, it is always good to be present and give intention of love, or make it from your heart, that it's just really act of giving. You are giving something beautiful to the audience, no matter who it is, even if it's just you. You can always make it as a special ritual. So now I have it, so I just take I'm saying like a safe container or something where I can really mix it, because I don't want to have cacao everywhere. So it's good when it's a little bit higher. And then you just pour the cacao in. Then if you have some extra, you can still, make it more this way because the blender or the mixer will mix it or shake it for you, so you don't have to cook it more. And then once you have it, you can serve your mug of cacao, which is usually very nice to drink. So once you have it, you have your intention, you can cheers and have a that's delicious.